Check this out. This is the original fidget toy from 1957. Look at this. East Detroit, USA. But here's the coolest part. Check this out. T minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff. Since we're talking about classic stuff, here's a picture of Lee Buck Trevino Britannica. You probably know him as the guy from Happy Gilmore, but I call him the greatest Mexican American to ever live. Lee Trevino would have been 17 years old in 1957. He may have even had one of these. They just don't make them like they used to, baby.